Okay, so in this video, I'm going to go through the second example of multiple linear regression model. The example that I'm going to use is the wage example. And here we are interested in how education, experience, and other factors determine wages of individuals. So we have 526 observations, and our dependent variable is the log of wages. The equation that I'm using here is our dependent variable enters in the logarithmic form, and our independent variables are three of them. Those are education, experience, and tenured. And we assume that these variables explain variation in the wages. Remember that our dependent variable is represented in the logarithmic form. Education is represented in levels, that is the year of education. Experience is also yearly, and tenure is also yearly. You can look at the summary statistics or these variables to know more about this data. So what we can run these commands and get the summary statistics and look at these parameters. So our parameter of interest here is the education, because our primary interest is in knowing that how education affects the wages. So what this parameter is telling us that holding all other factors constant, that is holding experience and tenure constant, adding 1 year of education increases salaries by beta 1 multiplied by 100%. Remember, our wage variable, it is represented in logarithmic form, so we are using a log level linear model equation. In this form, this beta coefficient or the slope coefficient represents semi-elasticity of wages with respect to education. That is holding all other factors constant, which in this case is experience and tenured. Adding another year of education increases wages by about 9.2%. So what do we mean by holding all other factors? It means that if we find two individuals, those are identical in all other aspects. They have same experience, same tenure, but the only difference between those two individuals is their education level. One has 1 year of more education as compared with the other. We expect the person with 1 year of more education to make 9.2% more money as compared with the person with 1 year of less education. That is, adding 1 year of education will increase the salary by 9.2%. That is the interpretation of ceteris paribus. Alright, so this is how you interpret these beta coefficients. So these examples are very important. These are the basics of the interpretations of these slope coefficients that you will use throughout this course. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.